Okay, so let's now start with the fourth part or the last part of the cloud automation. So here we are going to discuss with the Google Cloud Deployment Manager. So Google Cloud Deployment Manager is a tool specifically for the management of resources on Google Cloud Platform GCP. Users can automate the provisioning of the management of GCP resources by defining them in templates which are written in YAML or Python. This allows for dynamic configuration and the reuse of scripts for deploying applications and services across Google Cloud. It's important to note that you can also configure and manage Google Cloud IAC with the Terraform provider for Google Cloud. Key features of Google Cloud Deployment Manager include declarative configuration using a high-level configuration syntax, promoting consistency and repeatability. Automate automated resources dependency in handling during deployment actions, eliminating the need for manual specifications for creation order. Seamless integration with GCP services, facilitating streamlined management and provisioning of cloud resources. Create templates using YAML or Python, offering flexibility and ease of configuration for diverse infrastructure requirements. Features for safe infrastructure operations such as previewing changes and automated rollback mechanism. Jenkins. Jenkins is widely used open source cloud automation server which facilitates continuous integration, that is CI and CD, and continuous deployment, that is CD. It helps automate the parts of software development related to building, testing, and deploying, facilitating continuous integration and continuous delivery. With support for various programming languages and integration with numerous tools and plugins, Jenkins offers flexibility and extensibility in automating software development pipelines. Its web-based interfaces allows for easy configuration and management of jobs, enabling teams to automate building, testing, and deployment tasks efficiently. Jenkins pipelines, defined either declaratively or through scripted pipelines, help teams define complex build and deployment workflows as code. Key cloud infrastructure automation features. Flexible automation for any project, as Jenkins can serve as both a CI server and continuous delivery hub. Easy installation, as Jenkins is a self-contained Java-based program ready to run out of the box on Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and Unix-like systems. Simple configuration via web interface, featuring on-the-fly error checks and built-in help. Extensively, plugins integration through a vast plugin ecosystem providing extensive customization possibilities. Scalable distribution across multiple virtual machines to speed up builds, tests, and deployment across various platforms. NOps. NOps is a AI-powered FinOps cloud automation platform that helps users optimize their AWS infrastructure for minimal engineering effort. The platform offers an all-in-one suite for cloud optimization solutions, including NOps business context for understanding 100% of your AWS bill with cost allocation, chargebacks, showbacks, and tagging. NOps was recently ranked number 1 in G2 cloud-based cloud cost management category, and we optimize $1.5 billion in cloud spend for our customers. Salt. Salt is a Python based cloud automation platform based for open source remote execution framework for configuration management, automation, provisioning, and orchestration. Its core use is executing commands on remote systems, capable of executing multiple commands across thousands of systems in seconds. Essentially, Salt allows developers to configure multiple systems in simultaneously. For instance, if you want to set up a load balancer in front of the cluster of web servers, you can ensure the load balancer is set up first. The same matching configuration can then be consistently applied across the whole cluster. Circle CI. Circle CI is a cloud based CI/CD platform that makes testing and deploying containers application faster while also supporting all coding languages and frameworks. Circle CI integrates with version control systems like GitHub, validating control code changes in real time. Automating testing is handled using a virtual machine, which allows developers to test every commit with less fuss. If a test fails, Circle CI will alert the relevant team that an issue has occurred. Simple to pick up and boasting a clean UI, Circle CI is a strong tool for developers looking to shave some time off the share their development pipelines. Ansible. Ansible is a built for Microsoft Azure offering automation technology that nearly anyone can use. Tailored towards the IT crowd, Ansible's primary selling point is eliminating the repetitive tasks that DevOps teams are often faced with, freeing them up to pursue strategic work. Its cloud automation technology will meet the standards of the applications it touches, regardless of the environment. The best cloud automation software for cloud testing. Cloud Test. Cloud Test doesn't rely on coding to set parameters, variables, and validations, or to reuse and combine tests. Overall, it's a simple platform for testing cloud applications, allowing you to drag and drop various test cases as well as add users and simulate certain scenarios. Cloud Test also boasts realistic volumes based on your location as well as dynamic ramp that simulates promotions and outages. App Center Test. App Center Test, formerly known as Marine Test Cloud, has earned a reputation for providing accurate results in cloud testing environments. Tests written using supported frameworks can be run on hundreds of unique device models hosted in Microsoft's data center, storing test results for up to 6 months. These tests are performed on real Apple and Android devices through App Center Test doesn't currently support manual tests, VPNs, or cellular network testing. Startups and SMBs already have a mountain of challenges and time consuming repetitive tasks simply add to the pile. Luckily, platforms such as these help lower development times and extend runways, helping you achieve long-term viability. Duplo Cloud seeks to support startup and small businesses as they achieve their goals and with as little friction as possible. Cloud automation use cases. There are numerous ways organizations can use cloud automation to improve their workloads and processes. The following are some of the most popular examples. Establishing infrastructure as code, IAC. Infrastructure as a code is the process of provisioning and managing IT infrastructure automatically using code and templates rather than the manual configuration of hardware components. With IAC, IT infrastructure as defined in configuration files and automatically initiated in accordance with the codified configuration. IAC allows for the automatic provisioning and management of IT resources at scale, a necessity for successful DevOps, and streamlines the code development and deployment processes. It also helps support configuration management and prevent configuration drift through the provisioning of consistent environments. IAC tools like the popular open source options Terraform and Ansible can be used in conjunction with the container orchestration tools like Kubernetes to increase efficiency in micro microservices architectures and further align and optimize DevOps processes. Workload management and auto scaling. Cloud automation tools can be used to track cloud resources in use and automatically scale resources up or down to match workload demand. Once scaling parameters have been set, resource allocation and load balancing can be automated, which helps both establish availability and performance and reduce waste. Hybrid cloud setup and integration. Organizations then often use hybrid clouds to take advantage of the benefits offered by both on-premises data centers and cloud deployment models. Yet, allocating workloads and managing resources across these different environments presents a challenge to IT teams. You can use automation to better integrate data centers and achieve greater consistency and orchestration across your entire environment. For instance, automation can be used to provide a comprehensive view of resources and sync assets between local data centers and cloud infrastructure. It allows teams to apply the same cloud code to an on site system and cloud resources and set standardized policies for how workloads are allocated across a hybrid cloud environment. Automation can also help bring consistency to multi-cloud environments where public clouds from separate cloud providers may not easily interoperate with each other. Automation allows you to codify resources and use a single application programming interface across all clouds. Application development and deployment. To achieve continuous delivery and continuous deployment, that is CI/CD, you need to automate the application deployment pipeline, including the provisioning of realistic development and test environments, infrastructure as code, and automatic configuration of consistent environments that use cloud resources makes this agile workflow possible. Data backups. Manual backups are time consuming and prone to delay in the face of more pressing issues. Organizations often don't realize there is a data backup issue until it's too late. Automated backups don't require your IT team's time and remove decision making from the process. You can reduce costly failures and data loss with a regularly scheduled automation process for environment-wide backups. Eliminating cloud waste. Trying to manually track cloud instances in modern IT environments is arduous, if not impossible. It's all too easy to lose track of cloud assets that you aren't fully utilizing but are still paying for. Automation can help you make the most efficient use of your cloud spend. For example, you can use automation tools to match resources with workload demand in real time, eliminate over provisioning, and take almost advantage of pricing discounts like reserved instances. Version control. Automation can be used to set up version control for workflows and improve configuration management, which can be crucial for organizations that face intense security over things like the handling of your user information. Automation makes it easier for you to demonstrate to regulators that users and applications followed a protected identical processes every time sensitive data was accessed. Benefits of cloud automation. Like other automation solutions, cloud automation delivers the obvious benefits of reducing manual work and the redundant workload of IT teams. Cloud automation can be used to streamline processes, eliminate resource waste, and ultimately reduce the time and money spent provisioning and managing cloud based operations. It also imparts several more particularly particular benefits. Reduce errors. Automation enables the creation of predictable and dependable processes which helps reduce the human error that inevitably accompanies manual cloud management. Boost security. Organizations can use automation to monitor and log actively across an entire IT environment. Configuration security controls that scan for vulnerabilities and anomalies and define access levels to applications, data, and more. Centralized governance. A unified automation platform allows organizations to standardize governance across data centers, even in hybrid clouds. With this capability, organizations can improve business continuity, optimize resources and infrastructure usage, maximize performance, and enhance compliance and security. Increase innovation. When your IT operation items are not busy with mundane manual work, they have more time for the valuable higher level innovations that propel your business. Difference between cloud automation and cloud orchestration. Cloud automation and cloud orchestration are complementary aspects of successful cloud management strategy. Cloud automation is about using cloud management tools to streamline individual tasks and lower level processes, removing human involvement and making them more efficient. Cloud orchestration makes it to the next level. Cloud orchestration organizes and sequences automated tasks and processes from across the entire infrastructure, often uniting multiple locations and systems to create fully automated end to end workflows designed to achieve a specific objective. There are three main aspects of cloud orchestration: resource, workload, and service orchestration. You can think of automation as the building blocks or foundation of the strategy, while orchestration brings all the parts together into an integrated, functioning whole. Benefits of cloud automation. Like other automation solutions, cloud automation delivers the obvious benefits of reducing manual work and redundant workload of IT teams. Cloud automation can be used to streamline processes, eliminate resource waste, and ultimately reduce the time and money spent provisioning and managing cloud based operations. It also imparts several more particular benefits. Reduce errors. Automation enables the creation of predictable and dependable processes which helps you reduce the human error that inevitably accompanies manual cloud management. Boost security. Organizations can use automation to monitor and log actively across an entire IT environment. Configure security controls that scan for vulnerabilities and anomalies and define access level to applications, data, and more. Centralized governance. A unified automation platform allows organizations to standardize governance across data centers, even in hybrid clouds. With this capability, organizations can improve business continuity, continuous optimize their resources and infrastructure usage, maximize performance, and enhance compliance and security. Increase innovation. When your IT operations teams are not busy with mundane manual work, they have more time for the valuable high level innovations that propel your business. Thank you. So this is the way you can go for cloud orchestration. Cloud orchestration and cloud automation is something which is very important for the success of the cloud, working on cloud. Thank you.